Have you ever been in a situation where your iPhone screen starts acting up, displaying glitches, flickering, or becoming unresponsive? Screen glitches can occur for various reasons and can disrupt your day-to-day usage. In today's video, we will show you some solutions to fix glitched iPhone screen. Let's get started. Why is my iPhone glitching? Software issues. One of the most common causes of iPhone glitches is software-related problems. This can include bugs, glitches, or conflicts within the operating system or specific apps. Outdated iOS versions or incompatible app updates can lead to screen flickering, freezing, or unresponsive behavior. Hardware issues. Dropping your iPhone, exposing it to moisture or water damage, or having a faulty component can cause the device to glitch. Hardware problems may include issues with the display, touchscreen, or internal components. Tip 1. Check memory status. If you encounter a situation where your screen is glitching, you should also rule out that maybe your storage is full. To check for storage, follow the steps. Go to Settings to find General. Tap on iPhone storage, and you can check what kind of apps take up your iPhone storage, and you can choose to clear data or delete apps. Tip 2. Force restart your iPhone. If you still have the screen issue, try to force restart your iPhone and see if the problem resolves itself. Do the following steps to force restart your iPhone. Tap and press to quickly release the volume up button. Then tap and press to release the volume down button quickly. Press and hold the side buttons. When the Apple logo emerges, release the side button. Tip 3. Update your iOS. Another reason your iPhone screen is glitching is that your iOS is outdated. To update iOS, go to Settings to find General. Choose Software Update to download and install the latest iOS. Tip 4. Turn off auto brightness. Sometimes, simple issues, such as your screen's brightness setting, can mess with your standard screen, causing it to glitch and flicker. Your solution is to reset your auto brightness settings by following the below steps. In the Settings app, tap on Accessibility. Then head on over to the Display and Text Size. Scroll down to Auto Brightness and tap to turn it on or off. Tip 5. Repair iOS issues with AnyFix. If these tips are not working, we recommend trying AnyFix to fix issues on your iPhone. AnyFix is an all-in-one iOS system repair tool that can fix iOS and iTunes issues, and help upgrade and downgrade iOS versions easily. Now, let's show you how to fix iOS issues with AnyFix. Download and run AnyFix on your PC or Mac. Connect your iPhone via a USB cable and click System Repair. Next, choose Screen Stuck and click Start Now. Here are 3 repair options. You can choose as you need. We choose Standard Repair in this video. Click to download firmware. Note, please connect to a stable network and wait patiently during the downloading process. After downloading, click Start to repair. AnyFix will fix the issue and your iPhone will back to normal.